Introduction. Ravina likes watching the twinkling stars in the night sky. Today she notices a star that doesn't twinkle. She wonders if it is a special star. She asks her mother. Her mother tells her that it is not a star but a planet. Ravina wants to know the difference between a star and a planet. In this lesson, you'll learn about the objects in space. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define space, define astronomer, define solar system, define natural satellite, distinguish between rotation and revolution, explain the importance of Earth's atmosphere. Discovering space. Sun, moon and the stars that we see in the sky are all located in space. The Earth on which we live is also in space. Everything from the small dust particle to the large planet is placed in space. Indian astronomers. An astronomer is a person who studies stars and planets. He uses a telescope for his study. Bhaskaracharya, Aryabhat and Jayant Vishnu Narlikar are some well-known Indian astronomers. Solar System. We live in the solar system. The solar system is the family of Sun and its 8 planets. In the solar system, the Sun is placed at the center and the 8 planets revolve around it. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Sun. Sun is the head of the solar system. It is a star which emits its own light. Sunlight is very important for the existence of life on Earth. Without sunlight, Earth would have been very cold and could not have supported life. Moon. A natural satellite is a celestial object that revolves around a planet. It is natural and not man-made. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. It revolves around the Earth. Apart from Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the other planets that have moons. While Earth has only one moon, all other planets have more than one. Jupiter and Saturn have around 60 moons. Life on Moon. Though Moon is the natural satellite of Earth, it is very different from Earth. There is no air, water or food on the Moon. Therefore, life is not possible on it. Landing on Moon. Even though life is impossible on Moon, it continues to fascinate scientists. They wanted to learn more about it. Therefore, they sent a mission called Apollo 11 to Moon in the year 1969. Neil Armstrong was part of the mission. He was the first man to land on the Moon on 20th July 1969. He performed various experiments on the Moon and brought back samples of soil and rock. Stars. The objects that twinkle in the sky at night are stars. They are natural objects which emit their own light. Sun is also a star. Our Earth. Earth, the planet on which we live, is the 3rd planet of the solar system. Life is possible on Earth because of the presence of air, water and food. Its temperature also supports life. Movement of Earth. Earth shows two types of movement. Movement of Earth on its axis is called rotation. Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. Earth's rotation causes day and night. The part of Earth which faces the sun experiences the day. The part of Earth which faces away from the sun experiences night. Movement of Earth around the sun is called revolution. Earth completes one revolution in a year. It causes seasons on Earth. Atmosphere. Air on Earth forms its atmosphere. Nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide are the important gases present in the Earth's atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is made up of many layers. The ozone layer saves us from the harmful rays of the sun. Earth's atmosphere maintains the temperature on Earth that makes life possible on Earth. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. All planets, stars, and other objects are located in space. Sun and its 8 planets form the solar system. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. There is no life on Moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on Moon. Stars are natural objects that emit their own light. Rotation of Earth on its axis causes day and night. Revolution of Earth around the sun causes seasons. Ozone layer of the Earth's atmosphere protects us from the harmful rays of the sun.